actually, for me, that's the easiest way to shift to stop eating meat. Think of the animals in a cage or pulled from their mothers or getting killed or walk. We don't want to go in a slaughterhouse. That's because it's horrific. So if you think of the animals, to me, that's the easiest way. But I was teaching for a heart disease reversal program, and we focused on the health benefits. So if you're doing this for your health, if that motivates you, research shows one study after another that the least risk of heart disease and some cancers are from not eating animals. Cholesterol externally comes from the animal products, only from animal products, dairy or meat. So if you cut that out, you're not clogging your arteries up with the cholesterol. I've also heard people's joint inflammation reduce from eating plant-based, but don't take my word for it. Load up on those veggies, add more of the good stuff is one way to shift, less of what's not as good. Remember that plant-based vegan or vegetarian does not mean you're healthy if you're eating a lot of sugar and processed food and not vegetable, fruits, whole grains, or if you eat whole grains and beans and such. So you have to get the right nutrients and learn about it. Nutritionfacts.org has good research studies if you are into the science of it. Some people want to do it for ethics, some for health, some for the sustainability of the environment.